What's up, everyone? Welcome to Financier Pro YouTube channel. Please subscribe, comment below. This is a new software program I'm working on, and I'm doing my own audio scripts right now. And this is from Adidas Wilson blog, which is my blog. Make money while you travel. Many people would like to go on vacations, but they feel like they can't because of financial situations, which is understandable. Most people in America haven't even been outside of the country, and it's due to the financial strains on our resources. So if vacations were free or cost less, maybe people would not mind going several times per year if they could afford it. So the income is not much, but it's something that will contribute to small expenses. Wondering how you can make money from your road trip? Roadie pays to transfer goods in their trunks to various places in the US for a short distance. Deliveries expected are from $8 to $50. Long distances with a lot of luggage could earn you around $6.50. And Roadie, they deliver a lot of pharmacies as well, pharmaceuticals. Or you can deliver pets. You never know. The job is not difficult from other freelance jobs, and you can even write off the mileage in your taxes. Another one is field agent is a good excuse to travel. It connects you with companies that need on-the-ground market research. If you have the app, you only have to create a new login for the country you are currently in. The app will find gigs near you, and you can earn between $2 and $12 for simple tasks like checking prices. If by any chance there is some extra space in your travel bag, you can fill it with goods that are transported to your destination for extra cash using Air Mule. Alternatively, you can your destination for extra. I'm sorry, be a mule, you will earn 80% of the sender's fee. This could be $40 for about 5 pounds and an additional $6 for every extra pound. And that's Air Mule, guys. Air Mule. For now, this job is only for the UK or US and China. This trip could earn you $300 one way. However, very soon it will be available internationally. Apart from making your Instagram followers jealous, travel photos can earn you a lot of money. With FOP, you can sell the photos to legendary brands like Visit Sweden, Garnier, and Heineken for their digital marketing purposes. To make money, download FOP and upload a great photo. If a company buys it, you earn $5. And that's not even the best part. You can sell the same photo to countless businesses and get $5 each time. Occasionally, Folk features missions where a brand requests specific pictures. For example, Christmas in Poland. Wow, that's cool. I need to go there myself. If you emerge as the mission's winner, you earn at least $100 for one photo. Note that when you sell a photo on Folk, the buyers obtain a non-exclusive right to that picture. There is usually so much waiting while traveling, you get bored and scroll through your Facebook feed every second hoping to find something interesting. Instead, getting bored to death, why not earn SB points for watching short videos and movie trailers using the Swag Bucks Watch app? For every 6 videos you make 2 SBs, 500 SBs roughly equal to $5. So next time you go on vacation, these are some tips, and you can actually find these on my blog as well. I'll post the link below in the video description. See you guys next time on Financier Pro YouTube channel.